Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you the Checklists plugin integration into Agile plugin. So firstly, before we start, I have to say that of course you have to install the Checklists plugin on your Redmine, so this feature will be available into your Agile plugin. So the Checklist plugin is available into our page, so yeah, you could get it from here. Alright, so once you install the Checklist plugin, then the feature itself of the checklists is that you could add checklist items into the issue. So for example, we are going to add here some items: item 1, item 2 and item 3, and also we could add from a template. Alright, okay, so when we go to the Agile board, yeah, let's change to Kanban for now. And we expand the options, we could find a checklists plugin field. So here it is. When we enable it, we apply the changes, and now we see all the tickets and issues that have checklists into it. So this is happening directly on the Agile board. And the good thing is also that you could manipulate the checklists directly on the Agile board as well. So you could check items here, or you could uncheck. So this is a very good and convenient way to control your checklists. It is directly onto the Agile board. So this is how the Checklists plugin is integrated into the Agile plugin. So I hope this feature is nice for you, and also I hope this video was helpful for you to understand this feature. And if you like it, you could check other videos and articles of our Agile plugin documentation. So thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.